Welcome to Math Nexus, where numbers speak and knowledge grows. This genius personality of the world said that there are as many square numbers as there are whole numbers, although the square are fewer than their roots. For example, 5 into 5 equal to 25. 25 is a square where root is 5 and 5. Roots are in large quantities and square are in less quantities. Now we will explain square and square roots. First of all, the first rule of today's topic is when a number is multiplied by itself, the product is known as the square of that number. Again, when a number is multiplied by itself, the product is known as the square of that number. For example, 5 into 5 equal to 25. Similarly, other same number like 2 2s are, 3 3s are, 4 4s are, all are same where square are fewer and square roots are in large quantity. Second rule, a perfect square can be expressed as the product of two integers of equal value. Now, what is integers? Integers may be positive or negative. Example, 6 into 6 equal to 36 and minus 6 into minus 6 equal to again 36, as minus into minus equal to plus. Third rule, a square of a proper fraction is less than itself. What is proper fraction? Numerator is less than denominator is called proper fraction. Here again, a square of a proper fraction is less than itself. Example, 3 upon 5. 3 upon 5 into 3 upon 5 equal to 9 upon 25, where 9 upon 25 is less than 3 upon 5. This is the third rule of square and square root. Now, rule number 4 or properties number 4. The square of a decimal number less than 1 is less than itself. Again, the square of a decimal number which is less than 1 is less than itself. Example, 0.6 into 0.6 equal to 0.36, where 0.36 is less than 0.6. Property number 5 or rule number 5. The number that form a square when multiplied by itself is called the square root of the product. Again, the number that forms a square when multiplied by itself is called the square root of that number. Example, 7 into 7 equal to 49, where 7 is called the square root of 49. The rule number 6, the square root of a number n is the number that produces the number n when multiplied by itself. The square root of a number is denoted by a radical symbol just like this one. Example, 9 under root equal to 3. The number inside the square root symbol is called radicand. 9 is called radicand. The number outside the square root is called index. The number outside the square root symbol is called index, like 2 and 3, where 2 and 3 are called index. Even number, a natural number which is divisible by 2 is called an even number. Again, a natural number which is divisible by 2 is called an even number. Example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 are even numbers because they are divisible by 2. Also, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 are multiple of 2. The number ending with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is called an even number. Example, this is even number because there is 0 in its unit place. This is even number because there is an even number in its unit place too. Similarly, 4, 6 and 8. These are all called an even number. Rule number 8 or properties number 8, odd numbers. A natural number which is not divisible by 2 is called an odd number. Example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, etc. are called odd numbers because they are not divisible by 2. The number ending with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 is an odd number. Example, 71, 73, 35, 87 and 39 are all odd numbers. Rule or property number 9, the sum of two even numbers is an even number. Again, the sum of two even number is an even number. Example, 4 is an even number, 8 is an even number, and their result is also an even number. 12 is an even number. The sum of two odd numbers is an even number. The sum of two odd numbers is an even number. 3 is an even odd number, 5 is odd number, and their result is even number. 11. The sum of an even number and an odd number. One number is even and the other number is odd. The result is odd number. 7 is odd and 14 is even. The addition of these two is equal to 21, which is odd number. Number 12, product of two even number. Product of two even number is an even number. Product of two even number is an even number. Example, 8 is an even number and 10 is an even number. Their result is also an even number. ET is an even number. Rule or property number 13, product of two odd numbers. Product of two odd numbers is an odd number. 3 is an odd, 9 is odd, and their product is 27, which is also odd number. 14, the product of an even number and an odd number. Product of an even and odd number is an even number. Like 7 is odd number and 8 is even number and their product is even number. 56 is even number. Prime number. Prime number, a natural number which has only two distinct factors, 1 and the number itself, is called a prime number. Once again, a natural number which has only two distinct factors, 1 and the number itself, is called a prime number. Like 2 into 1 equal to 2 and 3 into 1 equal to 3, 5 into 1 equal to 5, etc., etc. 1 is not a prime number because its factor is 1 and the number itself are the same. 1 is not a prime number because its factor is 1 and the number itself are the same. Therefore, 1 is not a prime number. In prime number, only 2 is the even number, which is prime, and 2 is the smallest prime number. 2 is the smallest prime number and 2 is only even prime number. The prime number which differs by 2 are called twin prime. Example, 41 and 43 and so on. Every even number except 2 and 4 is the sum of 2 or more odd prime numbers. Example, 12 equal to 5 plus 7, 16 equal to 3 plus 3 plus 3 equal plus 7, 3 plus 13 or 5 plus 11 is equal to 16. Sum of 2 or more odd prime number. Sum of 2 or more prime numbers is equal to an even number. 3 consecutive prime numbers which is differ by 2 form a prime triplet. This is only 3, 5, 7 is the only prime triplet number. Only triplet is equal to 3, 5, 7. Now look at rule number or property number 21. For a number containing n number of digits that form a perfect square, the square root contain n upon 2 digits if n is an even number. Example, 6561 contains 4 digits 1, 2, 3, 4. Thus n equal to 4, which is an even number. 4 is an even number. The square root of 6561 should contain n upon 2 equal to 4 upon 2 equal to 2 digits. Now 6561 divide by 8, 8 8s are 64, 5 minus 4 1, 61. Now 8 plus 8 16, and 1 1s are 1, 1 6s are 6, and 1 1s are 1. The square root of 6561 is 81, is the square root of this figure and has 2 digits. Rule number 22. For a number containing n number of digits that form a perfect square, the square root contain n plus 1 upon 2 digits if n is odd. If n is odd. Example, 34,596 contain 5 digits, 1 2 3 4 5 digits. Thus n equal to 5. Here n equal to 5, which is an odd number. The square root should contain n plus 1 upon 2. 5 plus 1 upon 2 equal to 6 upon 2 equal to 3 digits. It means that the square root of this figure should be in this form. There are 3 digits. According to this method, 186 is the square root of 34,596 and has 3 digits. Now rule number 23. The cube of a number is the product when the number is multiplied by itself 3 times. The number is multiplied by itself 3 times. Example, find the cube of 5. 5 into 5 into 5 equal to 5 raised to the power 3 equal to 125. The cube of a number ending in 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9. The cube of a number ending in these figures has the same last digit in its cube root. Example, 1 equal to 1 into 1 into 1 equal to 1, and 4 equal to 4 into 4 into 4 equal to 64. This is 4. And 5 into 5 into 5 equal to 125. Similarly, 6 into 6 into 6, 216. There is 6 and last 9 and 9. Rule number 25. The cube of a positive number is positive. The cube of a positive number is positive. Example, plus 4 raised to the power 3 equal to plus 4 into plus 4 into plus 4 equal to plus 64. 26. The cube of a negative number is negative. The cube of a negative number is negative. Example, minus 7 power 3 equal to minus 7 into minus 7 into minus 7 equal to minus 343. 27. The cube of an even number is even. The cube of an even number is even. Example, 4 into 4 into 4 equal to 64, which is even number. 28. The cube of an odd number is odd. The cube of an odd number is odd. 3 into 3 into 3 equal to 27, which is odd. Rule number 29. If P upon Q is a rational number, if P upon Q is a rational number, then P upon Q whole cube equal to P cube upon Q cube. We can write this into this form. Example, 2 upon 3 whole cube equal to 2 power 3 upon 3 power 3 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 upon 3 into 3 into 3 equal to 8 upon 27. Now 2 upon 3 whole cube equal to 8 upon 27, taking cube root, 2 upon 3 is equal to 2 upon 3. Rule number 30. Square root of a common fraction equal to square root of a numerator upon square root of denominator. Example, square root of 16 upon 25 equal to 16 upon 25 equal to 16 under root upon 25 under root equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 5 5s are 25. We can write in this form 2 power 2 into 2 power 2 upon 5 power 2, 4, 2 2s are 4 upon 5. Thank you for watching. Stay curious with Math Nexus. Thank you.